what's up now? Finally, I am back with a brand new video. And I am super duper excited to share this video sa inyo because aside from this is my first tech unboxing video. The phone that we'll be unboxing right now is my first Huawei phone ever, like ever. And moro to siya. Wala tayo na studio pa. Let's begin!
Oh my god, it's red.
Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a tech savvy or a tech guru. That's why if may terms na mistakenly pronounced or misuse or balintong-balintong and all whatever, pasensya na in advance. This video will be divided into 4 parts. The first part will be the unboxing. The second part will be the full specs of Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. The third part will be my one-day experience. And the last part will be my recommendation. This is my first Huawei for like ever. Let's unbox this. Itong corner ng phone niya. Let's just set aside. Nauna din ako siya ganyan kay we set it up with manong kuya who assisted me. Received the Huawei Y9 Prime box comes in Type-C. Ouch. Type-C cord. Yes. Some adapter. Siyempre, from Huawei. And mura to siya. Wala na yung sunod lain. And na pwede. Na siya headset. Hindi white ba? Headset. Na siya manual. And some warranty card. And ihang SIM ejector. Really cute. It's like a circle thing. It's like a lollipop. Ha. And it has a free jelly case na jelly case kay jelly. Ooh. Jelly case kayo siya guys. Clear jelly case. And matunda na sa phone. Yes! I'm super excited na. Ha.
This is so beautiful.
This product was launched at May 2019 and it was released on July the same year. It has a unique color division back design. This phone comes in 3 colors, the emerald green, the midnight black, and the sapphire blue. It has an almost bezel-less screen with an ultra-wide display of 6.59 inches. On the bottom part, you can locate its audio jack, the microphone, its USB Type-C charging port, and speaker grills. On the right side, you can see the lock button and the volumes up and down. On the topmost part, you can locate the SIM card tray and its camera. This phone has a non-removable battery, LiPo battery with 4000 mAh. It has an octa-core processor with high silicon Kirin 710F. It has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gig of internal storage. Introducing its motorized pop-up camera. That is the phone's front camera. It is an AI front camera with 16 megapixel that records 1080p 30 frames per second. And at the back, it has triple cameras. The first camera is 16 megapixel. The second camera is 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and the third one is the 2 megapixel depth sensor. That yellow one is the LED flash. With its AI algorithm, the rear camera can recognize 22 categories and up to 500 plus scenes in real time. I'm back straight from the kitchen. Hey. Kaya nagwash ako ga.
Thank you.
And for my one-day experience, I am really amazed for its battery performance. Like, I charged it this time kani siya. And gibot na ko siya in this time. And look at the battery difference. Like, it went from 48 to 84%, and that's amazing ha. Within that span of time, nakacharge siya ginana. I'm impressed. And the camera is doing well. Nindot siya for vlogging, and muna siya kong ginagamit karon. And you can store all the apps that you like games and all the stuff like that. Editing apps, games, whatever, because it has 128 gigs of internal storage. And it only cost me $12,990. Amazing. And lastly, kabel mo ako na amaze. I was mesmerized by its motorized pop-up camera. Like, shook kay kuno kay grabe ang technology no ana ng camera. Amazing. The big question is, will I recommend it? Like, me personally, I like to take good shots and take videos and edit it diretso sa akong phone lang, and this phone can cater it all. That's why i-recommend ako siya. If you're a person like me ha. But if you're a gamer, siguro you can download all the latest games na mo download because it has 128 gigs of internal storage. And 4 gigs of RAM is not lag man. And comparing to its competitors, saktong mga pop-up cameras, this Huawei Y9 Prime is the cheapest or the most affordable sa ilahan tanan. And kana pa lang daan, marat ng mandagin na ako siya. It's a yes for me. It's a yes for me. In case you wanted to order, I'll be putting the link in the description box. Sa SHOPEE link, Lazada link, or sa mga nga link nga makita na ko. Para dagan na para phone. Mara to siya, that's just it. This will be the end of this video. So if you learned something from this video, click that thumbs up button. And wala lang, if you want to see more videos of me, you can subscribe to this channel. Keep you guys in. Magkita-kita tapunan, and I'll see you guys really soon.
Tap na akong finger